Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find chickens in Hytale. Chickens spawn around the first zone when you start a world in Hytale. Now, to be honest with you, it took me a good minute of trying to find these guys. Here I am on the map. It's a good distance away from spawn, so you're gonna have to do some running around just to find these little guys. Quite frankly, I would assume that these guys are rare because I've only found a few of them really. Now what to do when you finally find these guys, I recommend that you bring over some capture crates. These crates allow you to transport chickens back to your base. They will stay in your inventory until you release them. Get as many of them as you want. Include the tiny chick too, or else that's just pretty sad living an orphan. Once you're in your base, do try to make a coop to keep them running around everywhere. To pop them back out, just equip it and hit left click, and they'll be ejected out of the crates. If you want to improve this even more, I suggest you get the chicken coop, albeit it's gonna take a while for you to get this because it requires a farming station to be tier 5. So good luck with that. And that's how to find chickens in Hytale.